लवलीज, कैसे हो आप लोग? आई होप यू आर डूइंग फाइन, स्टेइंग होम और wearing mask और ड्रिंकिंग लॉट ऑफ वाटर एंड आई विश सब लोग जल्दी ठीक हो जाएं, एवरीबॉडी इज़ फाइन एंड ये पैंडेमिक जल्दी ख़त्म हो जाए, सब लोगों को इससे छुटकारा मिले जल्दी से। आज हम लोग ये वेडिंग गेस्ट लुक क्रिएट करेंगे यूजिंग मेबेलिन प्रोडक्ट, मोस्टली मेबेलिन प्रोडक्ट। एंड आई नो कि अभी हम लोग कहीं नहीं जा रहे हैं, बट there is no better time to learn than this time when we are in lockdown, when we can't go anywhere. So utilize that time to learn. And if you like this look, please do like the video, comment and share it with your friends, and do subscribe to my channel. It's free and it means so much to me. So this is the look. It's a monochrome look. I've created this pink monochrome look. So let's get started. So let's start, guys. First we are going to pull back our hair, pin it, and we are going to moisturize our face. Take a little bit of moisturizer between your palms, rub it. Rub the product between your palms and activate it. Give it a good rub for at least 30 seconds to 1 minute, and then apply it properly on your face, neck. Then we are going to use this Blue Heaven ka primer. Take a little bit on your fingers, rub it between your fingers and apply to the areas where the creasing happens and take it outwards. यहाँ पे सबसे ज़्यादा creasing होती है, वहाँ पे लगाना है. Now we are going to color correct using this palette. I'm going to use this flat brush. I'm using orange corrector to my under eyes and the dark spots I have on my face. Now I'll be using a damp beauty blender to blend this all. Then I'm using this Maybelline Age Rewind. It's the same shade as my skin, so I'm using it to conceal the areas which I've corrected right now. Now blend it in. Now you can see. Now I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation, and I'll be mixing it with Swiss Beauty liquid highlighter, 1 drop of it to make the skin look dewy. And I'm using this flat foundation brush, and now I'm using this damp beauty blender to blend it all in, and you can see the base is almost done. Now I'm using Sugar Ace of Face foundation stick. I'm in the shade 10 Latte. This shade is very light for me to use as a foundation, so I use it as a concealer because it's very creamy and it blends very nicely. So I'm applying to the areas where I want to highlight: under the eye, forehead, bridge of the nose, Cupid's bow. Now we're contouring with a darker shade from the same palette I've used to color correct. It's a darker brown shade. So these are the areas I contour. Now I'm using this Maybelline lipstick in the shade Madly Magenta as my blush. So I'm taking a little bit on my back of my hands and finger से उसको हम ब्लश की जगह पर प्लेस कर लेंगे प्रॉपर्ली एंड देन ब्लेंड. Now we are using this DIY brow bar. Take a little bit of, spritz a little bit of water, rub the spoolie in, comb your brows. Now I'm using Lakme Absolute Micro Brow Perfector. It has a very fine tip, and I underline the eyebrows first and then fill the rest of the area as usual, and then just brush it out. If there is any product collected, it will be spread out. Now we're going to do the eyeshadow, and I'm using this same lipstick I used as blush as the base of my eyeshadow. I'll be taking it on the back of my hand and using a flat brush, I'll be placing it on my lid. Once you place the pigment, just blend it in. Now we're going to bake the under eye. We'll take the powder and a fluffy powder brush, and just bake the under eye. So I'm using today is this Hilary Rhoda palette, and I'll be taking this pink shade. So we are going to move the brush in circular motions or the windshield wiper motion. Sorry, the light got a little weird. So what I'm doing is I'm placing the pigment on the outer corner and the inner corner. Sorry, the footage got deleted. And popping the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the center of the lid. So yeah, that's the look that we are going for. Pop of shine. Once you place the highlighter on the center of the lid, you just have to take the same brush and blend it in. Now take a clean fluffy brush and take highlighter on it and put it on the brow bone. Brow bone पे हमको highlighter लगाना है. Now I'll take this Maybelline Colossal eyeliner and just make a wing liner with it. I'll be right back doing the other eye. Hi, I'm back. Now take a round stiff brush. Doing what we did on the upper eye. Exactly what we did on the upper eye. We're going to, just as we did the outer corner and the inner corner on the upper eye, we're going to do on the lower lash line. We'll be doing the outer corner and the inner corner, and centrally we'll be placing the highlighter. Now I'll take the same palette and the darkest brown shade from it, and I'll be lining my lash line with it. You can use a kohl also, but I used the eyeshadow. Let's curl them. So I'm using this Wet n Wild Max Volume Mascara, and I don't do this because it brings the air. I just twist it in and wiggle it down to up. Bottom से एकदम ऊपर जाना है और bottom lashes भी ऐसे करना है. Now I'm going to moisturize my lips. अभी लगा के छोड़ देंगे, तब तक लिपस्टिक लगाएंगे, तब तक सही हो जाएंगे. And now let's bronze. I'm using Sugar bronzer. I'll mention everything in the description box. Let's highlight now. We are going. So I'm placing the highlighter जहाँ जहाँ light hit करती है face पे. हाइलाइटर से फेस शाइन करेगा। Now let's fix the makeup. I'm using this Wet n Wild का Fini Natural. Spritz. Let it dry. Now I'll be lining the lips with In Color Red lip pencil. Don't worry, I'm not wearing red lipstick. So I've used this In Color lipstick and I am blending the red with it. Now I'll be placing the Madly Magenta color Maybelline. This is the another trick you need to know to make any creamy lipstick matte. You just place a tissue paper on your lips and powder it, and then you apply the lipstick again and then blot it away. I'm ready, guys. If you like this look, please share in the comment box, and if you don't, then also share in the comment. Thank you.